your daily dose of the latest from financial markets around the globe, presented by Skyriss.
Intel surged 10.8% last Friday, closing at $45.55 after strong political backing and optimism around its next-generation semiconductor technology. The Shanghai Index rose 0.8% on Monday, extending a rally to multi-year highs, with technology, defense, and clean energy stocks leading the charge. U.S. natural gas futures dropped 7% to below $3.25, the lowest since October, as weather forecasts turned milder and reduced expectations for heating demand over the next 2 weeks. The New Zealand dollar rose above 57 cents, rebounding from a 7-week low, as a softer U.S. dollar offered support while investors sought fresh monetary policy cues. Bitcoin traded at around $92,000 this Monday, driven by renewed institutional interest and anticipation of upcoming U.S. inflation data, which could reinforce expectations of lower interest rates. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 10:30 a.m., the annual inflation rate in India is expected to increase, after reaching 0.7% in November. At 11:30 p.m., Australia will release figures for the consumer confidence change of January, following -9% in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the annual inflation rate for December, following 2.7% in November. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Consumer Price Index of December, following 324.1 in November.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.